Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 15th February 2024. US electric automaker Tesla could soon set up shop in India, with the government close to finalising a policy to extend concessional import duties on electric cars exceeding Rs 30 lakh for 2 to 3 years. The reduced import duties are likely to be offered in lieu of bank guarantees by Tesla for a proposed investment to build an electric vehicle factory in India. India imposes 100% import duty on cars with cost, insurance and freight value of more than $40,000 and 60% for those below that threshold. Tesla is willing to invest up to $2 billion if the Indian government offers reduced import duty of 15% on imported electric cars in the first 2 years of operations. Vedanta Limited promoter is in talks to sell a partial stake in the mining majority to Rajiv Jain-led GQG Partners in a deal worth $1 billion. The final talks for a potential stake sale have already taken place, and the transaction may take place in a few days in the form of a block deal. The Directorate of Enforcement quizzed Paytm Payments Bank officials this week in connection with its probe into alleged violations of Foreign Exchange Management Act by entities using the bank. Paytm Payments Bank executives provided information and documents sought by the agency. Enforcement Directorate has asked them to furnish more details by next week. The executives were summoned as part of the procedure that needs to be followed once a FEMA investigation is launched. Bain Capital, Advent International, and CVC Capital are among the private equity funds that are competing to buy Shriram Housing Finance Limited, an arm of Chennai-based non-banking finance company Shriram Finance. These three, along with Warburg Pincus, have been shortlisted after non-binding bids were submitted by potential buyers in mid-December. They are currently engaged in conducting due diligence. Binding bids are due in a fortnight. The company expects a valuation of Rs 6,500 crores for the business, inclusive of a control premium, but the initial offers have been in the range of Rs 5,000 to Rs 5,500 crore. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.